What's up, my dudes and dudettes? Welcome back to the channel yet again. Starting off a little differently. Today, we're going to put another little something on the Wrangler. Got another little mod to throw on there. I haven't shown you guys yet, so it's kind of a surprise. Let's first clean the Wrangler up because I had a little fun with her the other day. Hint that. But let's get to washing her up. Alright guys, excuse the background noise. Someone put a basketball court in my cul-de-sac and now these kids come out here and play for 24 hours. So if you hear balls bouncing and kids scream, I'm sorry about that. But here we go. This is what we're putting on. This is why I just cleaned the Jeep up. We got some rock rails, or rock sliders, whatever you want to call them. OEM rock sliders from JK Rubicon. They are used. I got them for 50 bucks off of Facebook, which is great, if I do not say so myself. What? They look brand new. I just cleaned them all up. There's a little scuffs on them, but what do you expect? That's what you get for 50 bucks, but they look brand new. They're beefy as shit. I love them. So we're going to throw them on the good old Wrangler. Throw them on there. See what she looks like. All right, guys, let's get to it. Okay, so she's on. Let me explain a little bit to you guys. Actually, we're gonna get underneath there a little bit. Underneath the car, these bolts are fine. They are OEM bolts. These aren't. I didn't have OEM bolts. The guy didn't have OEM bolts. He had to put it back on his other Jeep. So he actually got these for me. But the problem is, they fit. They screw in perfectly tight. They're not big enough. They don't really go on the hole. Like I have it kind of off to the side holding it on right now. Same with the other one over there. So I could either get a bigger washer to cover this whole area or get the same bolt but just a bigger head. For right now I'm gonna leave it because I don't have the time to go to Home Depot. But this will definitely be fixed here very soon. These bolts are holding on pretty good. I mean, the thing's not going anywhere. It's moving the whole car. So there's that. But if you get this, make sure you get a decent, a big enough head or a big enough washer to go on here because it doesn't work. These are the screws. These screw numbers, everything's right except for the head. Get a bigger head or a bigger washer. The washers don't fit, and neither does the head of the screw. So if you're gonna do this, just get a bigger head screw or some bigger washers to fill in that gap, or just go to the parts store and get OEM bolts, which I'm thinking about doing actually. I'm thinking about just gonna go to the parts store here this week and get the OEM bolts for that, swap them out real quick later on this week. But for now, we're gonna do it just because I wanna get them on. So let's get to getting the other side on and then wrap the video up. That's pretty much it. Alright guys, that's it. Simple, easy, basic install. Only problem I have is one bolt won't go in on the right side. I think it's stripped. I can only get about halfway and then it's just like it won't go anymore. So the bolts don't fit, the heads don't fit, the washers kind of fit. So what I think my best bet is I'm just gonna order some OEM bolts for the upper one. They're holding on pretty good with the ones on the side and with the ones that are on there now, but I think OEM bolts probably do a lot better. Other than that, it looks good. It looks really good. I'm happy I finally got some rock sliders on here just in case when I go off-roading. I don't like it being completely bare down there. I want to protect it. So I'm glad we got it. It looks really good now. Now it really throws off my fenders. I got this nice black rock slider and then my fenders are faded as anything. But for now, it looks good. I like it. It looks really good. Just keep adding to the parts. Keep adding and adding and adding. But like I said, the next couple of videos, I think we're going to do some maintenance on it. Brakes, tune-up, diff fluid change. See if I can do a transmission flush when I try and do that. I might take somewhere to do that, honestly. You know, just maintenance things. I mean, I'm at 100,000 miles. I doubt any of this stuff's been changed. So those will be the next couple of things before I think I get any more mods. But anyway, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Definitely subscribe for some more Jeep content. Got plenty of that coming. Probably off-road video coming soon. Make sure you follow my Instagram if you want to follow my photos and all that stuff. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it. I hate this neighborhood. Anyway, bye. In my cul-de-sac, and now these fucking kids never stop. They've been out there all day. They were out there till midnight last night. Like, your parents must really hate you. They must really hate you. My mom would have beat my ass if I was outside and the sun was down. Fuck out of here.